Good morning dear students. I am your maths teacher Ansari Samreen, and today in this video we are going to learn practice set number 17 and this is practice set number 17 is the last practice set of this chapter, decimal fraction. In decimal fraction we have learned how to add decimal fraction, how to subtract and how to multiply the decimal fraction. Now today in this video we are going to learn how to divide the multiple decimal fractions. So today we are going to learn practice set number 17, and question number 1 is carry out the following divisions, which means we have to divide this decimal fractions. Okay, so here 4.8 divided by 2 has given, so we will have to divide. So first we will write 4.8 divided by 2. So after point only 8 is given, and 8 is which place? 10th place. So we will write 48 upon 10 divided by 2 upon 1. Then we will convert this number into multiplication. So here 48 upon 10 into, we will convert this number into reciprocal, which means 1 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. So here 24 into 1 and 10 into 1. How much it will remain? 24 upon 10. So answer will be 2.4. Now come to question number 2. 17.5 divided by 5. So here we will do the same. 175 upon 10. How I will put here 10, because after point only 5 is given, and 5 is again which place? 10th place. Here we will write 5 upon 1. 175 upon 10 into 1 upon 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. Here how much it will go? 2. 5 fives are 25. So here 35 into 1, 10 into 1. So here 35 upon 10, and answer will be 3.5. Now come to question number 20.6 divided by 2. So here we will write 206 upon 10 divided by 2 upon 1. So here 206 upon 10 into 1 upon 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 0. 2 threes are 6. So here 103 into 1 and 10 into 1. So here 103 divided by 10, and answer will be 0.3. 10.3. Sorry, 10.3. How? Because only 10 is given here, and you will put the point from your right hand side, which means after 3 you will put the point, and this will be your answer. Okay. Now question number 2 is, a road is 4 kilometer 800 meter long. If trees are planted on both its sides at intervals of 9.6 meter, how many trees were planted? So here what we have what here given. So first we will write the statement, which is length of a road is how much has given here? 4 kilometer and 8 meter, but the distance has been given here in meter, so we have to convert this kilometer into meter. So how we will convert it? Therefore 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So here length of a road in meters four into 1000 plus 800. Here 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000 and plus 800. So what will be the answer? 4800 meter. What now? Next, what they are given? If trees are planted on both sides of a road at a distance. Distance means interval. Distance means interval. Interval of how much? 9.6 meter. So we have to find out how many trees were planted. So first we will find out number of trees planted on one side. Okay. So first we will find out number of planted trees on one side. So here we will write 4800 divided by 9.6 meter. So here again the distance has been given in decimal form. So here we will write 48,000 divided by 1 in 96 upon 10. How 10 will come? Because the after point 6 is which place? 10 place. So here 10 will come. Now we will write again 4800 upon 1 into we will reciprocal this number. Okay, 10 upon 96. Now we will do division. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3 और यहाँ पर क्या जाएगा? 1 जाएगा. 3 6 are 18 0 0, 16 1s are 16 and 16 2s are 36, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So here what will be the answer? 100 into 5 upon 1 into 1. So here 500 will come. Okay. Now we have to find out the number of trees both the side. So now we will find out, therefore number of trees planted on both the sides. So we will write 500 plus 500 and answer will be 1000. So both the side how many trees were planted? 1000 plants. So here you will write the answer. 1000 trees were planted on both the sides of a road. Okay. question number 3 is Pradnya exercises regularly by walking along a circular path on a field. If she walks a distance of 3.825 kilometer in 9 rounds of the path, how much does she walk in one round? In this question, we have to find out how much Pradnya will walk in one round. Okay, so first we will write the statement here, then we will solve this question. Okay, so first we will write distance walked in 9 rounds. Okay, because first we have this statement have been given 3 point, how much has given 825 meter. Okay, so therefore distance walked in a one round. So here we will write 3.825 divided by 9. So here 3825 upon 1000. Why 1000 will come? After point, how many numbers has been given? 1, 2, 3. 8 is 10th place, 2 is 100 place, and 5 is 1000 place. So here 1000 will come. Okay, then divided by 9 upon 1. Okay, now 3825 upon 1000 into 1 upon 9. So here we will divide 9 by 3 to 3825. So here we will divide. Here we will write 9 and here 3825. 9 4s are 36. So here 36 will come. 8 minus 6, 2 will come. So we will write 2, 22. 9 2s are 18. 2 minus 22 minus 8. Here 1 will come here. 12 minus 8, how much it will remain? 4. Then we will put 5. 45, 9. 5s are 45. So here 0, 0. So 9 1s are 9 and 9. 4 2 5s are 3825. So here how much it will remain? 425 into 1 and 1000. So here 425 upon 1000. Answer will be 0.425. Okay. So here we will write, therefore Pradnya walks 0.425 kilometer. So student, I hope you have understood the practice set number of 17. Question number 4 I will give you as a homework. I hope you have understood the whole chapter of decimal fraction. If you have any difficulties, you can ask me on WhatsApp. Thank you so much.